Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Firdaus, a morning class, semester 4. Okay, here I will explain how to increase student reading interest in learning English, namely by reading short stories. Definition of short story. Short story is literally work in the form of writing made briefly in the form of an incident along with the conflict, and also the end of the conflict. As the name implies, short stories contain short and short stories about life. So the content of the short story is usually solid and tied to the core of the story. Short stories can also be referred to as prose fictions because the stories presented only focus on one conflict or problem experienced by the character, ranging from character recognition to solving problem experienced by the characters. Short stories also consist of no more than 10,000 words. In general, the problem narrated in short stories are not too complicated. Therefore, the number of words in the short story is also limited. Usually, short stories consist of various stories, such as the genre of romance, affection, humor, and others. Okay, back to the main discussions, which is to increase student reading interest in learning English, namely by reading short stories. What are the steps? Number 1. The teachers prefer short stories in English. Number 2. The teachers ask students to make groups of 2 in one group each. Number 3. The teachers gives to the short story text to each group. Number 4. Students are asked to read the short story in front of other students according to the order of their groups. Number 5. The teachers correct the students' reading text if there is something wrong in the pronunciations. The teachers explain the contents of the short story student translate. Students are given PN to write short stories in English with their respective groups. Students read the short story text in the order of their respective groups and explain the contents of the short story they made. The short story text is called by the teachers as their daily scores. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you.